కరోనా వైరస్ శ్వాసకోశ వ్యవస్థపై దాడి చేయడమే కాకుండా ప్రస్తుతం నరాల వ్యవస్థపై దాడి చేస్తుందని విశాఖపట్నం జిల్లా నుంచి మెడికవర్ హాస్పిటల్స్ న్యూరాలజిస్ట్ కన్సల్టెంట్ డాక్టర్ సుమేధ మాటూరు అన్నారు. తద్వారా వాసన రుచి కోల్పోవడమే కాకుండా విపరీతమైన తలనొప్పి వచ్చి తరువాత స్పృహ కోల్పోవడం జరుగుతుందని వారు తెలిపారు. ఇటువంటి లక్షణాలు కనిపించిన వెంటనే వైద్య సహాయం తీసుకోగలిగితే ప్రాణాపాయ స్థితి నుంచి కాపాడవచ్చని డాక్టర్ సుమేధ అంటున్నారు. వీటన్నింటితో పాటు ఇంటి పట్టునే ఉండటం, సమూహాలకు దూరంగా ఉండటం, వ్యక్తిగత శుభ్రత పాటించడం వలన కోవిడ్-19 విపత్తు నుంచి బయటపడవచ్చని ఆయన సూచించారు.
Namaste, I'm Dr. Sumedha, consultant neurologist, Medicover Hospitals Heart and Blood Institute from Visakhapatnam. Till now, you have seen a lot of videos with respect to various manifestations of COVID. And now, I shall be talking something new. This pandemic, COVID-19, as the number of cases are increasing, new manifestations are being unfolded. So now, apart from this respiratory system, which is now thought to be a major system bearing the brunt of the disease, it is also being coming into light that other than respiratory system, that is brain and nerves can also get affected. Coming to the literature from other countries, in the last 2 months, lot of publications have been seen in which approximately about 40% of the hospitalized patients, implying those who are suffering from moderate and severe respiratory infections of COVID, are also showing nervous manifestations in various course of the disease. The most common which have been documented are loss of smell, loss of taste, headache and dizziness. Apart from these, there are many other serious manifestations which can present along with COVID-19. It can be in the form of paralysis, that is due to either an arterial thrombosis, that is called as ischemic stroke, or venous thrombosis, or rarely due to something called as demyelination, that is the damage to the protective layer of the nerves. It can also present as seizures, which can be due to infection of the COVID of the brain directly, that is called as encephalitis. It can also present as weakness of limbs in the form of Guillain-Barré syndrome or its variants, and there have been sporadic reports of COVID-19 affecting the nerve muscle junction in the form of myasthenia gravis. Now, in this context in which the unlock strategies are being implemented, the number of COVID cases being increasing, it is of prime importance that we take safety precautions to the maximum so as to protect ourselves from getting this disease. It is to be known that even though a lot of news, lot of havoc is there with COVID-19, the mortality of Indian strains is very less. So don't worry, be safe, stay healthy, stay home, and if at all in case you still get affected, rest assured we are there for you 24/7, Medicover Hospitals. Please come without any doubt. Thank you. Namaste.